Can I see it? Thank you. This thing is so cool. You can see all the different Hello Kitties inside. But I don't want to take it apart. That's Lorelai's job.
I just stacked them all together.
What did you think? Happy Valentine's Day.
I love it.
I'm so glad you like it. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Ooh, that looks good, Lorelai.
Perfecto. It is so big also. We'll start with...
What's the Hello Kitty?
It's Hello Kitty. I'm going to start with the smallest and the furriest.
Yeah.
Okay, first off, look, we have the Hello Kitty from 1970. That's actually such a quality to be from 1970.
Okay, I got one.
You got one?
The biggest for Diana.
What's this?
Well, what you wanted to. Beat.
Help.
You want help? I can help you, Beats. Beats, I can help you. Let me help you, Beats. Okay? Can I help you?
Whoa, it's a good one.
It's a big Hello Kitty.
Wow. Can I see? That is super cool.
Now we got medium Hello Kitty
What's this?
from
It's the upper.
90s. This is the 2024 one made by the and we just opened 19. You need help?
Yeah.
You want help?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
It's okay.
I have an idea. You see this? Let's open it. Okay, so apparently these two, we're going to stack them up inside them.
Just
Oh, so they open up like a Russian doll.
Yeah, like those Russian. Let me do it. Okay. Can I?
can I close it?
We gotta close it after.
Yes.
Okay. So first we open these ones, and then we put this one in. Then we put. Then no. Then we put this one in. Oh, let's see. Let's open this one. And we put this one in. Then we put that one. Now, okay, so yeah. Oh! Perfecto. Next is,
This one.
yeah, this one.
This one.
Perfecto once again. Now, this one. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. Golden Bell Hello Kitty is right here.
That's so like
Now, let's go ahead and last of all, you put clear golden Hello Kitty on top of silver Hello Kitty. And you got this huge, heavy Hello Kitty. It has a lot of Hello Kitties inside one Hello Kitty.
Big little bus.
Yeah.
I want to see its cheekies.
He wants to see it. Show it off. Let me see. Oh my gosh, that's the 50th anniversary Hello Kitty.
So now, we got the 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, 2000s, and 2024.
Can I see it? Thank you. This thing is so cool. You could see all the different Hello Kitties inside. But I don't want to take it apart. That's Lorelai's job.
I just stacked them all together.
What did you think? Happy Valentine's Day.
I love it!
I'm so glad you like it.
Valentines.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I need to see it.
He wants to see it. Time to double check our work.
Double check out.
He wants to see the video you made. Don't forget to edit it.
How do I edit it?
You cut.
I don't know.